Hello, 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 and thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Soraya Marshall Wright. Welcome to The World According to Soraya. For those of you who do not know, I'm an estate planning attorney in South Carolina, and I help seniors and families with special needs plan for the unexpected and protect their valuables. All right, so we are still in the month of October, and October is Special Needs Law Month. As promised, I do want to share some information to help you and your special needs loved ones. Generally, when I talk about special needs planning, I talk about ways that you can leave a legacy for your loved ones or avoid leaving them a large sum of money that could affect their eligibility to public benefits such as Medicaid and SSI. So really, how to prevent screwing them over after your death. But I haven't talked about ways that you can protect them while you're living. You may not be aware of this, but a divorce could actually affect your special needs child's eligibility for benefits. Let's say the child is receiving child support as a result of your divorce, and that child is also entitled to SSI benefits or Medicaid. Well, the Social Security Administration will actually count that child support as unearned income. They will not count the whole thing, but they will actually count 2/3 of it as unearned income. What does that mean? Say, for instance, the child is eligible for $700 in SSI benefits, but they start receiving $3,000 in child support. Well, $2,000 of the $3,000 of child support would actually be reducing their SSI benefit, which means it would bring it to zero. And of course, everyone's situation is different. There may be cases where it makes more sense to receive a higher child support amount and still be able to care for your special needs loved ones, but there may be situations where having the Medicaid is more important than the child support. There are ways, however, to structure these child support payments to avoid affecting their eligibility for these programs. And that's why working with a special needs attorney such as myself is very, very important. So if you are going through a divorce, if your child could potentially be eligible for a large amount of child support, be aware that that could affect their eligibility for SSI if they receive it. And there are ways to prevent that from happening. All right, so if you didn't know that child support could affect SSI and Medicaid eligibility, and that there are ways to actually avoid stopping or affecting their eligibility, now you know, and I'll see you next time.